Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve some networking questions. Let's take a look at the questions first. So the first question is a numerical problem. Suppose the size of an uncompressed text message is 1 megabyte. How long does it take to download the file over a 32 kilobit per second modem? Let's write down the question first. So the problem ideally is time taken to download a 1 megabyte file over a 32 kilobit per second modem. Let's just write down whatever the data is given to us before we actually delve into solving the numerical problem. So the size of the file that is to be downloaded, let's call it ms, is equal to 1 megabyte. And the speed of the modem which we are using to download this file, let's call it SP, is equal to 32 kilobit per second. Now an important thing to remember here, I'll put it down under note, is the notation, and to know the difference between B and small b. So if a unit says M capital B, it means megabyte, and if the unit says M small b, it means megabits. The same goes with 10 to the power 3 and unitary values. Now we all know that 1 byte is equal to 8 bits and 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. Using these conversion values, we can just convert the given data into unitary notations so that the problem is ideally reduced to a division problem. So therefore the size of the data to be downloaded is 1 megabyte. If I want to convert it into bit, it becomes 8388608 bits. And the speed of the modem, SP, 32 kilobits per second, becomes 32,768 bits per second. So now we have ideally reduced the problem to a division problem, and therefore the time taken to download the file is just the ratio of the size of the file that is to be downloaded to that of the speed at which the download is happening. So therefore the time taken is equal to 8388608 upon 32768. Let's just put down the units here for our convenience. So the numerator is in bits and the denominator is in bits per second. So this ratio amounts to 256 seconds, and you can cross check the answer using your units. So the bits and bits gets cancelled, the second goes up, and therefore 256 seconds, which is approximately equal to 4.2 minutes, which is the time that would be required to download a 1 megabyte file over a 32 kilobit per second modem.